Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload music to Spotify on Android. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search here Spotify, and then you need to update your Spotify application. Once you've done that, you simply need to open Spotify. Once you open Spotify, you simply need to click on the settings in the top right. Once you click on home, then you need to click on settings in the top right, and here you need to scroll down, and you need to scroll down more, and here you can see the option of local files. Show audio files from this device, add tracks from this device into your library. Then you need to turn that on, and then you need to click on your library, and in the library you will find the option of local files. So these are all the songs and with audio from your smartphone that are in the Spotify. So this is the process by which you can upload music to Spotify on Android. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.